Hope everybody here has a happy Thanksgiving. Gobble gobble. And as you can see, I have quite a few blind bags. Some of them you've seen before, some of them you've never seen before, or at least I've not opened them before. And some of them I actually have not even heard of until just today when I went to the Dollar Tree. Anyways, let's see what we have. We're going to start off with two of the recognizable ones. I'm hoping to get something besides, well, ones we've had already. I only need 3 more. So, quickly, it is, the rabbit. Finally got a new one. It is the rabbit. It is so cute and fluffy. It is cute and fluffy! Okay, another Troll Series 9. This is the one with those weird hair things. It is some kind of goat. Wow, I can't say I was expecting that one. Wow, it's cute, but it's got that fuzzy, there it is, that one right there. It's got that fuzzy velvety stuff on it. Alrighty, we've done these before, so let's do them again. I'm trying to save all the new stuff for last. As you know, it's one of those that you, I can get that out. Take it and you smash it. It's the mosquito, the frozen mosquito. We've had that one before. Cool. The garbage bag is actually getting full, so I have to change that out. And why aren't you opening? There it is. Oh, I dropped it and I got this guy. It is, actually don't know which one this is. Blizzard Bronto. And if you remember, the other one is Sub-Zero Mosquito. Cool. I like him. Alrighty, now we're going to be on stuff that we haven't opened before. We've opened similar stuff, but not same. This is Hatchimals, and you can either get a single one or twins. Contains 1 or 2. Alrighty, let's see what we got. And we have a guide list. There's quite a few of them, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna look at what we get and then compare it. One of the ones that you have to rub until it breaks. We're just going to use brute force, because why not? And I'll show you in 1 second. I just want to not have this on my desk. Or table, whatever it is. It is some kind of cat fairy thing, playing what looks to be a tambourine. We got, there it is, Batney Love. So is it a bat? Yeah. And she's common. Because that's the symbols. So, taking it's just a common. So, Batney Love. I like it. It's cute. Alrighty. I saw this at the Dollar Tree. It's Fab 5, just which random 5 toys. So I'm thinking it's those cheapo prize toys that you get for cheap stuff at the various stuff. Let's see. Is it worth it? I don't think so, but it was $1.25, so 25 cents each. Pretty ring with a butterfly on it. It's some kind of squishy unicorn. Probably one of those stretch toys. I don't want to open it up because I don't like these things. It's one of those toys. I don't remember what they're called. The top. And it's one of those that you put on your finger to make little finger puppets. Is it worth it? No. But if you had enough of these would be great grab bags for kids. I will admit that. Found these. Jungle Fantasy. And there's this whole story. Let me get that so you guys can read it. Alrighty, let's take a look at what we got. Just say I like the bag. It's really cool. I have no idea what a wishkin is, and it says discover what they wished for inside. Oh. Had some kind of ball that I dropped. Alright. Okay. This is a capuchin monkey. And here's his, my wish, to be a baseball star. Favorite word, P. It's all his information. What he looks like. Shivers. That's his name. Here's the toy. He's got a movable head. You can put a hat up. You can actually peg the hat in. That's cool. He's got a baseball bat that you can... Do you want to see my education? And a baseball bat. A baseball bat and a baseball. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Got a little bit of a tiny problem with the paint here, but it's some kind of vinyl squishy toy. It's not bad. The ball's gonna disappear soon. There we go. I got 2 of them. Let's see if I get a second one. Guess what, guys? I'm very good at getting the same one multiple times. Except for this guy has some kind of paint on his nose. But it's identical. See? Shivers. I'm very good at this game. I win. Alright. We have a mini brands. So let's see what we got here. I despise these balls because they are unnecessarily double wrapped and I don't know why that bothers me. I think it's because I have a hard time opening them. And I can't just like brute force them open. There we go. And then... Sorry, I'm still trying to open this. So if I see what this is correctly, this is basically like tiny versions of popular food items and such. We'll do that. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. We have Sunny D. We have shelving here. I'm pretty sure the shelving is going to look similar to this one, so I'm not going to even bother putting it together. I'll do it later. I don't want to waste more of your time. We have Teddy Grahams. This is chocolatey chip with what makes a good parachute. I wonder if you can actually get ideas on this. Yeah, you can actually read this. So, yeah, if you have enough patience to read that small. This is Crispy Treats. It's one of those giant sheets of Crispies. It's got like some kind of foam in it to give it shape, but yep. Comes with a huge list of various items you can get. I'm not going to go through all of it because I don't want to, again, waste all your time. Apparently you can also get money. Last one. It is Purell, or in this case, Bactive. Aloe Vera Bactive hand sanitizer. Nice. Alrighty. And we got two more things. They are Micro Marts, which are very similar to the mini brands, except for this one comes with 2 Real Littles and 2 mini packs. I have no idea what to expect in these. Maybe some kind of Shopkin and some kind of fake food. So, again, these were actually from the Dollar Tree, so huzzah. It comes with a list of everything you can get. So, steam fresh sweet corn. So I got some kind of hard substance in there. I don't want to open it to find that out. And you got kosher dill. Oh! It actually has something in there that you get, wow, an actual dill pickle, half a piece, Shopkin. Cute. So does that mean this actually opens? Do I actually have to cut this open? Oh no! I don't want to cut this open. Can I? Just open it without, there we go. Taking this as some kind of corn item. Yep. There he is, or she is. It's a bowl of corn. And that actually snaps back together. Okay. You know what? There. That way it actually has some bulk to it now. That's actually pretty cool. Clever of them to actually do that. Okay, so here's the second one. Oh, this video has gone on for very long. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna go on a roll. Alright, so Juicy Juice. We all love it. Okay. And some kind of cup, maybe. Oh, that's cute. Some kind of Juicy Juice cup. And swirl sticks. There you go. Adorable. There you go. So that was all of them. God, I can't believe I keep getting the whole double thing of the same one every time. Oh well. Anyways, I hope you like this, YouTube. Peace out.